What's going on, everyone? In this episode, we are going to be making Luna great again. Don't go away. So this package, I'm assuming, is the front lip that I ordered last fall. And I never opened it, so I don't know if I got the right thing or not. We're going to go ahead and open it right now. Alright, this is the lip. It's a little bit warped right here from shipping. But other than that, it's actually really good. It's like this nice matte. I mean, it's just ABS, just like all the other ones I bought. This one is a little bit different. It's got pre-drilled holes, as well as it came with hardware and brackets to mount it. And this is the first one I ever bought that had that. This is just from eBay. I don't know which one it is, but it's an Essy rep. I took a break from downstairs because stuff came up and I had stuff to do. But now I'm out here. I took the bumper off because I'm going to test mount the lip on it in the basement. Do some other stuff too. You'll see in a second. But as you can see, actually you probably can't see, this headlight's basically new still. This one was new, and then I don't have the rubber covers in here, and I cleaned the engine bay. Got a bunch of water in there, and now this one's like yellow on the inside. There's nothing I can do about it. So I was at the junkyard, and they had this crazy deal going on, like as much as you could carry for 60 bucks. I found a brand new headlight, and I grabbed that in my pile of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in right now before it gets dark, and then we'll go downstairs and start working on the lip. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but that's the new headlight, and it looks way better. And now they match. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you remembered, I wrapped these fog lights. And now, after the salt hit them all winter, they got this really, like, rough surface on them. You can't really see them. They're not very glossy. And that's the 3M clear bra reacting to the salt. So I'm not really sure how people run that on their bumpers around here, but I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. This is actually the longest I've ever had Honda fog lights last without cracking. You can see it's starting to corrode a little bit around here too. So I'm going to put more on. I'm just going to peel this off so that I can replace it. So as you can see, they're still brand new. I just have to put more 3M on them. This one's got some gooey stuff on it. Alright. If you take a look at this side, you can see it's a little bit warped from shipping. So I'm going to heat this up and try to push it back into place. Alright, I'm thinking that should be good enough. It's still a little bit wavy. Hopefully from the front of the car, you won't see this underneath. If you do, I'm just going to go ahead and put it down there. Fool's gold, what did I know? So anytime you wrap or even paint something, you want to go over a few steps. So first what I do is, it's cold outside and I don't have the running water turned on right now, so we're going to wash this in the bathtub with regular dish soap. So we're going to wash this, the front and the back, because the wrap needs to stick to the back as well. And then we're going to go over it with wax and grease remover. Then we're going to go over it with rubbing alcohol. And then right before we wrap it, we're going to go ahead and wipe it down with tack cloth. But I'm going to go ahead and wash this. I don't have my tripod in here, so I won't time lapse it, but you'll see the wax and grease remover after. What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. Okay, so here's a new rule. Don't use rubbing alcohol on polyurethane. It reacts and actually like makes the polyurethane melt. I had to use wax and grease remover to kind of get it not sticky. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess. All right, there we go. Took me about an hour and a half. It's all done and it turned out really good. Let's go ahead and put it on the bumper.
What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools.
Alright, that looks really good. Alright, it's the next day, and we are going to go ahead and put the bumper back on the car. Ooh, it's a beaut, Clark.
It's a beaut, Clark. It's a beaut.
Ooh, damn, girl. Look at you. Looking good, all nice and clean. Alright, time to eat. Alright, now we are going to... Am I in there?
Yeah. That's really... You look gay. Scratch down like that, though. Please, let me just do this. Stand up. Go ahead.
Okay, now we are going to lower the car and make it look good.
What did I know? What did I know?
So I thought I started the recording again, but I guess I didn't, but we got this side lowered. And Jenna was over here and she lowered this side. I just want to give a shout out to the best girlfriend in the world. She helps me lower my car. Every year. This is a big job. This would take me a couple hours by myself, but she's cutting the time in half for me. This side is done. So I'm about to go for a test drive. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, all nice and low. And I'll show you tomorrow in the daytime. But it's looking good. Alright you guys, unfortunately it's not the next day but like the day later, and it is cold and rainy and gross outside. And I don't even want to back the car out and do it. So unfortunately that's all you get. But you'll see more in the future. I got more stuff to do on this car right now actually, so stay subscribed, like the video, share it if you'd like, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.